It's up.
So it's fucking nut. Come on, Budgie, show us how you can raise a banger then.
You can't, Dad. What? How you
Blind
going
like
to doing
me.
your banger? Yeah, show us how you're going to drive, right? Come to the end of the straight.
Going the wrong way for starters.
You put it in reverse. What are you doing?
What are you got in your face
Look
then,
at
bud?
this for. Lads, look.
Oh, Budgie, what are you got in your face?
Oh, wow.
Take your hood down, Budgie, you won't be able to see behind you.
Yeah, keep checking your mirror.
The kitchen's on fire.
That's alright. Don't forget your mirror, Dad. Keep checking it.
The kitchen's on
It's
fire.
alright, mate.
The kitchen ain't on fire, Budgie.
Just you keep checking your
Open
mirror.
that window, Mike. The little window that goes outside.
What are you doing there, bud?
Oh, I'll
Drink driving now, you fuck.
So just groovy moves.
I think you're fucking off the plot.
You think I am?
Fire set fire the kitchen. What the fucking cooking in there, man?
So
You're alright, you got
your
the
goggles
same.
on.
Yeah. Daft cunt.
Budgie, show me your groovy moves.
Yeah, can't do a dance for us all.
Oh, look, it's Jack's walking.
You put some music on.
Bud,
Wow.
show me your groovy moves. Go on.
What's he cooking? Why is he cooking?
Dry, bitch.
Say, what's he fucking cooking? What's he cooking?
Bacon sandwich.
Bacon sandwiches.
You're all sitting there in big chunky old phones, and I'm just sitting in my iPod recording it.
Can't watch it, Budgie, you're gonna fucking crash in a minute.
Huh?
You're gonna crash in a minute.
You put your goggles back on.
Yeah,
shadow
just
in
to
your
get your
eye.
eyes.
Shout. Ah, yeah, shout.
You're shadow shifting now.
Shout. Hey, how you flying me on again?
Yeah, he's on the centre green.
You get
Bud, you got a
contract
lot
there,
of dust
folks.
in your mouth, drink some water.
Yeah, you got a bit of dust. Then you can come off the green again.
Oh, shut up, you stupid boy.
Sponsored by Ferrari.
You fucking daft.
No.
Hey.
Go, pal. You must have got hit.
Shut in your
He's
eyes.
been jacked up.
I've been jacked up.
Oh, you've been jacked up again. You ready to get jacked up again? Shit, he's coming around the corner, boy. Oh, there's another jack. Oh.
Watch out, Budgie, I think you're gonna have head on in a minute.
Oh, that's it. He took one on the snow. What are you doing? Your goggles off when you abandon the vehicle?
Oh, centigrade.
Turn the key off. Send the green, fly moon again, contracts are over.
Hey, fly move!
You husband,
What's your drink?
you want to get contracts for them cutting grass.